Hi, Simon here from Perfect Pools. We are here in Bishops, starting a brand new project. It's the new Polo swimming pool, and we've been tasked to do the relining. Today, we're focusing on the band, where the actual fiberglass and the mosaics or scum line tiles and the coping meets. So I'm going to take you on the journey for the next few weeks. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do here. This pool is about just under 900 square meters. 30 meters by 20 meters by 2 meters deep. But follow me, let's go and have a look here. The guys actually did a fiberglass test there. Let's go and have a look at it quickly. And I'll show you what we've done and what we're going to be doing here as per the contract. So the first thing is, this is what it's not supposed to look like, obviously. We've just pointed out some areas here. This is going to be a double layer 450 gram mat. That is where you're going to be the scum line or mosaic tiles. They've flossed a bevel in there so that we can end up flush with it at the end. And then there's some things we're going to do here. They're going to put in some paddle flanges here that allows us to spread the opportunity for leaks to like almost zero, because it gets glued on here and then fiberglass patched out there. And then we will then do add primer on there. Here's the mosaics. So for today, we're going to actually just focus on the mosaic band, and then that's it. The next time you see me will probably be tomorrow, when we are probably about 25% finished with the fiber band, and we'll show you what that looks like. But for now, I hope you're going to stay on the journey. Remember to follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and all the social media. I hope you're going to follow the journey. From my side, until next time, bye. Hey, it's day 2 on the project here at Bishops, I think. Let's go and have a look at what the guys did yesterday and also part of today. They're busy with the fiber band and making sure that we can actually get that ready for the team that comes in behind us with the mosaics and the actual coping tiles. So what we've done is this is a 300 mat, 300 mats. So we're just going in a little below the edge here where the scum line is, or the mosaic tiles will go in. We've gone in about 100 so that we can overlap the main mat. And we've gone over, and then we've also got a groove on the inside to actually tuck the fiberglass in. But this area we've done in 300 gram mat times 2, only because of the fact that it actually bends quite a lot, and we don't really like to bend the fiberglass too much. The rest of the pool will be 450, but we'll get there when we get there. So that's it for now with regards to the swimming pool. Bit boring at this stage, but we're going around there. I wanted to show you something else quickly. Where is it? Let's take the skimmer box over here. So around the skimmer boxes, not this side because we're going to do that later, but around the skimmer boxes, and then a little bit on the inside, we actually use the add primer from NCS to give us a better adhesion, especially when we work inside a skimmer box, or in fact any plastic fittings. You'll see that there's still plastic fittings coming in here. On the other side it's already there, but for now, that's it for now. So keep the flow going. We are going to take a break for I think about a week for the guys to actually do the copings and get the tiles in, and then we are in full control of this pool, and we'll be updating you basically daily. Until next time, see you, bye. Simon here from Perfect Pools. Welcome to the actual job here in the Bishop. Well, now it's Rondebosch, I suppose. It's the Olympic size, half Olympic size Polo pool. We've done some work. We're on basically day 4, if I have to count all the days together, with some breaks in between to give other contractors time to do what they need to do. As you can see on this side here, the guys already started doing the copings. There's some repairs that needs to be done on that side. But all in all, we are progressing quite quickly. I think we personally, I'm talking about Perfect Pools, but we are like, I think 4 days ahead of schedule. And yeah, I will keep you posted on everything happening here. We're just doing some finishing touches today, sanding down and prepping, and that's it. So until next time, see you later, bye. Bishops and Rondebosch, welcome to this humongous swimming pool. We're basically halfway through everything. We're busy with the laminating of the actual floor today, so we are alone on site, so this is ideal situations for us to actually go and do the work. As you can see on this side here, the guys already started there. Obviously we'll see there's some spots here that we're missing, but there's a reason for that, and I'll tell you why. On the other side of this, I'll be inside the swimming pool. The next time, yeah, I'll be inside the pool. So I'm again here. Okay, I'm here inside the pool. Let's go and check what the team are busy with. As you can see, busy with laminating. This is already two 300 gram mats due to the amount of curves, tissue on top of it. So technically it's like, let's call it 3 layers. Guys are just doing some testing on the floor, make sure that everything's according to plan. And yeah, we're doing the relaminating floors, and the walls has already been done. That wall has not been done yet because it's been plastered on Friday due to some imperfections, but we will obviously do that probably tomorrow or Wednesday when we are done. This just gives you an idea how thick the fiberglass is. Probably between anything, I would say 8 mils. Obviously we will need to do some cleaning here, but we will do that next week, and that's it. Okay, well, we are, I suppose, just over the halfway mark. It's now about the floor finishing touches, trying to navigate through all these things and also make sure that we get everything done before the big holiday start. But all in all, not looking that bad. I'll see you when the pool floor is finished, and that should be probably by late tomorrow, no, the day after tomorrow. Till then, follow us on all our social media pages. I'll give you all the details at the end of the video. Till next time, bye.
Good morning. We are back here at the job in Renovation. Guys are prepping to get the pool right and the bottom drains right, so all the fittings are being prepped. Other guys are busy with the first section here that we're doing today. This is the section on the right hand side of the swimming pool, and guys are prepping. We broke it down into 2 sections. Tomorrow we'll do the other half of the pool, just giving us this area to actually stand and walk on. Obviously it's not 100% cured, but at least we can move around. And then you'll also see that we've put up netting, as you can see around here. That is just to try and avoid as much as possible leaves and debris falling in. It's a building site, so we had to work around that. All in all, not too bad. See you.
Hi guys, Simon here from Perfect Pools. You followed the project, and I can now officially say we are done. This is quite a large project, as you can see in the previous clips that we've shared with you. But it took us about, all in all, I would say 4 weeks. It's about 1.5, 1.6 milliliters of water, just under 1,000 square meters that we fiber lined here, and 2 layers, but you followed the whole thing, so you should know by now. Until next time, I hope you enjoy these videos. Give us a shout on Facebook, TikTok, and all social media channels if you want your pool to be done by a professional fiber lining team here in the Western Cape. Until next time, I hope you enjoy it. Bye.